In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix any corrupted files on your PC using Windows PowerShell. So for this you need to go to Windows search, and herein you need to type PowerShell. So herein you type PowerShell, right click here and click on run as administrator. So first command you need to run sfc/scannow. I will give you all these commands which you need to run. Actually you need to run 3 commands: sfc scannow, and then after that you need to run dism commands. So I will give you all these commands in the video description, so check out the description of this video as well to find this command. So after scanning your PC you need to run this command, dism command ScanHealth. So it will scan the health of your PC. And last command you need to run this command CheckHealth, and I will provide you all this command in the video description as well. So make sure to check the description of this video as well to check all these commands and run them successfully to check and fix any corrupted files using Windows PowerShell. I hope friends you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.